Xiaomi last year tablet market ma afno Mi Pad bata comeback gareko थियो, and for this year Xiaomi ko Redmi sub brand ma Redmi Pad pani launch bhayeko cha, and recently it has been made available all over Nepal. And now for this video, I'll be unboxing the Redmi Pad. Along with it, I'll be giving my first impression regarding the pad. Let's start unboxing. So here we are done with the unboxing, and inside the Redmi Pad box, we can find Redmi Pad. Along with it, charger pani provide gariyeko rahecha. And along with it, we have Redmi Pad ko guide and warranty card. Now let's unwrap the Redmi Pad and let's see how it looks visually, if it's good enough or not. Overall design ko kura garnu parda malai Redmi Pad ko design chai ekdam nai man paryo. The bonus point is that you have a metallic body, and this gives a premium look to your tablet. And talking about the color, earlier we have Moonlight Silver, and I think like this color gives a classic look to your tab. So I really like this color on the tablet. If you want any other color option for Redmi Pad, then you can also get a graphite grey or mint green as per your preferences. So talking about the display of Redmi Pad ma chai tapaile 10.6 inch ko LCD display pauna सक्नुहुन्छ. Talking about its refresh rate, tapaile 90 Hz ko refresh rate pauna सक्नुहुन्छ, जसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ tapaile smooth animation experience गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Furthermore, Redmi Pad ma 12-bit color along with 2K resolution ko display छ, जसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ it gives you a vibrant and punchier color with sharp image. Internals ko kura garda MediaTek ko Helio G99 ko chipset छ, which is coupled with 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage. Redmi Pad 4GB RAM भएको tablet भने नेपालमा चाहिँ launch भएको छैन, जुन चाहिँ अलि unfortunate नै हो. Redmi मा 8000 mAh को ब्याट्री छ र Xiaomi को promise भने एकदम नै long lasting छ, but यसको लागि भने full review गर्नै पर्छ. So do check out for that video in the future. Box ma 22.5 watt ko charger pani available गरिदिएको छ, which is a great thing to have अहिलेको टाइममा. Camera ko कुरा गर्दा back and front ma नै 8 megapixel ko छ, which we will cover in full details at review. Also, it has quad speaker with Dolby Atmos. Thank you so much everyone. This was it for our unboxing and first impression video. For future videos, please be connected with us in YouTube. This is me, Adita Malla from Gadgets in Nepal. Bye bye.